Hi guys, in today's episode, I want to show you on how to install Jupyter Notebook. So let's get started. All I have to do is to click on my Windows plus arrow on my keyboard, and that will take us here, and I immediately type CMD and click OK. So from here, I'm going to type pip install notebook. So we are going to wait till everything is being installed. Okay, so our installation is completed, and you can see through all the collected packages. So these are all the collected packages. So let's go ahead and open the notebook. So we just have to say Python space -n notebook. So we'll be able to see that. So if we want to create a new notebook, come here, new, and click on Python 3. So this is our environment for us to do our coding. So happy coding, everyone.